Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your FreshBooks account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you export or download your customer list from FreshBooks? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download or export your customers from FreshBooks anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you've gathered a lot of customers over the years in FreshBooks, sometimes it's better to go ahead and start marketing to them again. So maybe you need to go ahead and download their information. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your FreshBooks account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my FreshBooks, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and download or export your customer list, here on the left, you want to click on clients. It looks like a little person icon. Once you do that, you will see your client list down here on your FreshBook. Now, in order to download or export this list, here on the top, you're going to click on this button, More Actions. Once you do that, you see two options, but you want to click on Export Clients. It has a downward arrow next to it. Okay, a quick second later, you're going to see this file downloaded. So I guess it could take longer if you have a lot of customers. This is just a test account with only 3 clients, and it's automatically downloaded to your desktop. So let me go ahead and open that up. Okay, a quick second later, the spreadsheet opens up, and you can see all of the columns that I had inside my FreshBook. So now I can go ahead and use the spreadsheet with my customer list in my MailChimp or other marketing effort. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to export or download your customer list in FreshBooks, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.